Anywhere near Anna Maria Island, you'll find history, beautiful beaches, and yachts. Speaking of yachts, Cruiser's new 54 Fly stands tall with sleek European definition. I invite you on board as we cruise Florida's turquoise waterways. The 54 Fly's swim platform is submersible, with plenty of space to support a small tender or personal watercraft, making it easy for you to enjoy your favorite water sports. And when you're ready to relax for the day, a large powered storage locker keeps everything nicely organized. Shore connections are conveniently positioned too. There are integral stairways both starboard and port, with the cable master smartly located inside a recessed panel to prevent any trip hazards. Stepping up to the cockpit, you find a nicely appointed entertainment platform.
Isn't this beautiful?
To wine and dine. For people that love to barbecue, a stainless portside grill and these optional bar stools create an amazing wet bar area, a cozy space to entertain or relax. The optional portside joystick control helps when docking in tight spaces. Accessing the flybridge is secure and safe. This custom stainless steel stairway provides easy maneuvering, going up or down. At first glance, the 54 Fly's entertainment layout really maximizes the space. And of course, everything is protected by the hardtop, keeping things up here high and dry. The bridge is equipped with a stainless refrigerator freezer, ice maker, and grill, with a convenient sink to assist with cleanup. What a great entertainment platform. Dinner seating for 8 around the solid wood table positioned aft, followed by an after-dinner cocktail at the forward lounge, close enough to include the captain in the conversation. The command center comes standard with a double bolster seat, tilt steering wheel, and Volvo's control package. Moving up to the bow is a breeze using the wide side decks. Cruiser's very own custom bow rails and grab rails are located just where you want them. Now, Cruisers loves to utilize every space on the boat, and the 54's bow is no exception. These twin sun lounges with drink holders are adjustable. There's plenty of extra storage for fenders and lines, and the windlass winch is standard, of course.
But possibly the best part of the bow's design can be better experienced below decks. I'm standing on architecturally integrated glass, large skylights that naturally illuminate the spaces below. Let's check it out.
It's amazing. You feel almost out of doors here. With the port and starboard windows open, the private VIP stateroom is bathed in light. An island berth on the center line, full-height hanging locker, beautiful storage, and ensuite head compartment that can also be accessed from the atrium round out the VIP amenities. The third stateroom provides additional accommodations, with bunk beds that convert to a double berth. If a third stateroom is not needed, you can order the 54 with an atrium layout. This atrium-style design is simply outstanding. First, it privatizes all 3 staterooms. Second, with the optional starboard lounge, it's a wonderful space to enjoy a cup of coffee or a glass of wine without the need to leave the accommodations deck. Pretty sweet. The full-beam master stateroom combines the living and sleeping areas into a single open concept. It feels much larger and more luxurious than any yacht in its class. Again, the smart use of space resonates throughout. Take a peek at the entertainment wall. Beautifully fit and finished, enclosed in clean, exotic hardwoods. And behind these doors, a combo washer and dryer. The masterhead flaunts a designer vanity with a Kohler ambient rain walk-in glass and tile shower. All the conveniences of a luxury home. Here's where the 54 Cantia shines, literally. Stunning architectural glass integrated into a sleek three-dimensional superstructure provides 360-degree views. The helm, salon, galley, and cockpit are all on one level. This allows owners and guests ease of movement throughout to take full advantage of the refined, open-concept design. The command station is equipped with the future in marine navigation and control. The helm is outfitted with Volvo's glass cockpit, touchscreen electronics cluster. Elevated seats and panoramic view allow for excellent visibility at all cruising speeds. Move the seat back, and it's plenty comfortable to stand and command. The 54 is powered by twin Volvo IPS diesel engines, a power plant that propels this yacht at speeds in excess of 37 knots. The 54's galley provides all of the modern conveniences. Let's whip something up. The galley is designed with an artisan's touch and is outfitted with a convertible stainless dual-drawer refrigerator freezer with ice maker, glass cooktop stove, optional dishwasher, plenty of cabinet storage, and a dual stainless sink with this cool and very functional Kohler articulating faucet. And to keep all of your technology up and running, USB and HDMI ports are integrated into almost every space. The 54 Fly is a luxurious option, especially when you consider its dockside amenities. Glass of wine and a setting sun? You don't get this view from home. Come see Trial Her for yourself. We'll see you on the water.